Tom the driver drinking Hennessy. That's our driver.
That's the fucking driver. Tom, tell him why you ain't got shit to say.
Tell him, Tom. Talk that shit, Tom.
My boss is too fucking mean to let me say anything.
Oh shit, you better not let him hear this. Yo.
Tell us about yourself, Tom.
Tell us about yourself, Tom.
Goals
Come
and
on.
aspirations, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
There's nothing to say.
1, 2, 3,
I don't
go.
have anything to say about myself.
You have something to say.
That's because you got that shit on your shirt.
Tom, how tall are you?
6'2".
He's 6'2", ladies and gentlemen. 6'2". Talk that shit, Tom.
Tom,
Tom,
tell him about that shit on your that bullshit shit on your shirt.
Here you go.
You talk about my sunglasses, you talk about the best football team in the nation.
It's definitely not the sunglasses or the best team.
Tell the camera how many bitches you have, Tom.
I don't have any bitches right now, but over my lifetime, I've had a lot of bitches.
Tom is hung like
Tom,
a horse, ladies and gentlemen.
get
See this man in
bitches.
the show, you jump on it, that is it.
I've had more young bitches than I had old bitches.
Oh shit! Y'all talking to a true motherfucking pimp right now. Player.
Last bitch I had
Look at these shades.
was
The shades of a
22
player.
years old.
The shades of a fucking player. Oh shit, he's about to
Tell
Talk that
them
shit, Tom.
why we are going to die on the way home.
It might have something to do with Hennessy
Excessive.
having an intake of.
Tom has partaked in a bit of the turnip. That may be why we die on the way home. Just saying. D Family TV. We're out.